Hello, I'm Elisabeth with Salt Air Studios. Welcome to Butterfly Adventures. Luna's Big Adventure. Luna, a tiny caterpillar, lived in the middle of a beautiful field of wildflowers. Each day she watched bright butterflies flutter and dance above the tall blooms, their colorful wings shimmering in the sunlight. One evening, as Luna gazed up at the sky, she let out a little sigh and whispered, "I wish I could fly from flower to flower and go on adventures like the butterflies, but I'm too small and I can't fly." Feeling a bit sad, Luna curled herself into a tiny ball, tucking her head close to her heart, just like a little caterpillar getting ready for a long, cozy nap. Her mother tucked her in gently and whispered, "Luna, very soon you'll have your own big adventure." As Luna drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of something wonderful. Luna's dream carried her into a field of towering sunflowers. She crawled beneath them and began to climb up a thick green stem. At the very top, a bright yellow flower smiled down at her. "Hello there. My name is Sunny the flower. What's your name?" "Hello there. My name is Sunny the flower. What's your name?" "I'm Luna," she said shyly. "I want to have a big adventure like the colorful butterflies, but I'm just a tiny, plain green caterpillar, and I can't fly." Sunny beamed. "Luna, I was once even smaller than you, just a tiny seed buried deep in the ground. After I was planted and watered, I sprouted, and over time I grew into the strong, bright flower you see today. You will grow stronger too, and one day you'll shine bright." "Oh, yes, please," Luna exclaimed. Sunny laughed gently. "Stretch your petals wide and soak up the sun. You're growing stronger every time you reach a little higher. Remember, even the tallest flowers start from a tiny seed, Luna." "Wow, I feel taller already," Luna said, stretching happily. "Thank you, Sunny." Luna continued on her way, crawling through the soft, grassy wildflowers. She heard a calming, happy sound, the buzzing of a bumblebee. "Excuse me, Mr. Bee," Luna called. "You're so brave buzzing along. I wish I was brave enough to fly like you. How did you become so brave?" The bee smiled. "Call me Buzzy. That's my name," he said, zipping around. "You have to buzz your dreams into the sky. Feel the power in your wings. Little by little, every buzz makes you braver," Buzzy added with a twinkle. "Your hum is your heart's music, Luna. Let it out." Luna closed her eyes and hummed softly. She felt her heart lift and her courage grow. Next, Luna met a new friend, Ripple the stream. She watched Ripple's sparkling water swirl and dance. "Ripple," Luna said, "how do you flow so gracefully? I want to fly like the butterflies, but all I can do is crawl, little by little." Ripple whispered, "Flow gently like the river, Luna, and trust where the journey takes you. Sometimes the best way to move forward is to stretch and let go. Even when you feel small, the whole wide world carries you along." Luna smiled and climbed onto a large leaf. She floated along the stream, letting the current carry her gently toward the shore. As Luna's leaf floated onto the bank, she spotted a mighty old oak tree stretching into the sky. "Oh, Mr. Tree," Luna called, "you have lived so many years. How can I become strong and balanced like you so that one day I might fly?" The old oak smiled warmly. "Plant your roots deep and reach for the stars. Strong chunks bend with the wind but never break. Stand tall, little one. You're braver than you believe." Luna felt steady and strong just hearing those words. At that moment, Luna heard the sweet songs of birds in the distance. She began to wake from her dream, feeling a brand new sense of confidence. She remembered everything her friends had taught her. "Stretch wide like a flower, buzz my dreams into the sky, flow like the river, stand tall like a tree." Luna sat quietly, bringing the soles of her tiny feet together and gently fluttered her knees like soft butterfly wings. She breathed gently, and a warm, gentle flutter stirred inside her. She stayed still, trusting the moment until a soft shimmer of light surrounded her. Slowly, Luna opened her eyes, and something amazing had happened. Her tiny body had transformed into a dazzling butterfly, her wings sparkling with bright colors of pink, yellow, and sky blue. She was ready to soar. Giggling with delight, Luna stretched her new wings wide. She lay back, lifted her arms and legs into the air, and fluttered gently like a butterfly taking its very first flight. As her wings lifted her higher over the wildflowers, she joyfully waved to the buzzing bees and the smiling sunflowers below. This was just the beginning of Luna's big adventure, and she couldn't wait to see where her wings would take her next.